Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset in your JBL Partybox on the Go 2. So actually we have two ways of doing so. The first way is using the buttons directly on the speaker, and the second one is using the app. I guess when you search for this video, you don't know how to do a factory reset on the speaker itself, not in the app, because doing the factory reset in the app is just one click, and it's just in the product information product settings. So to do the factory reset using the speaker itself, you need to hold this button and this button, this inside, of course, this brightness and the play and pause button for at least 10 seconds simultaneously, of course. We need to hold it. Now our speaker is turned off and the factory reset is performed. That's it. Have a nice day and goodbye.